We've been modifying our Alfa Romeo quite a bit. This is a new piece that we really like, and so are these canards. But we're starting to do more stuff with the interior. This one is a piece that goes on the steering wheel. So we've done a little bit in terms of the red there, little carbon accenting on the doors, but we want to give our steering wheel a little bit more love. No pressure rate. Whew, I can't believe how easily that went on. It's a nice red, it really glistens. Okay, so like the trick is to kind of line it up right here and then just slide it in. There you go. Woo. More red, more Italian. I think it really accents the steering wheel pretty well. What do you think, girlfriend?
I like it a lot.
It's shiny, right?
Very shiny. I love the carbon fiber.
It's sick. So if you want to pick up one of these for your own Alfa Romeo, or if you like any of the other mods that we have in the car, some of them will be in the description. If not, leave a comment. Let us know what you would like and what you would like to see in our future videos. Make sure you get subscribed though, so you don't miss them. Thanks for installing with us. Later. Bye.